Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, today I'll be using the iKich 6-quart air fryer. Here it is right here. And I'll be air frying some breaded pork chops. Okay, and they gave me this air fryer for my honest review. So I can do that. So, it's already plugged in, so I'm going to start by turning it on. I want to preheat it for 5 minutes. We'll set the temp for 350. I guess it don't really matter. We'll set the time for 5 minutes. Turn it on. And I know it's on because this fan thing is blinking. Plus I can hear it. So while that's preheating, I'm going to prepare my breader shaker bowl. Use some Kentucky Kernel seasoned flour. Already rinsed out my pork chops. And I'm going to paper towel blot them dry. I do that before I put anything on them. Make them as dry as possible to ensure nice crispy chops. I should just make a couple of these naked to see if they'll still be crispy. Make sure your meat is as dry as possible before you put any seasoning or anything. Water in the bottom of the bowl. And some people just use their meat right out the pack. I don't. I wash everything. They could have dropped this meat on the floor. Okay. Always use yellow mustard. Chicken, fish, ribs, pork, everything. Regular yellow mustard, this nice swig. Season it with my special seasoning blend. This is the regular, not the spicy. Even though I'm going to use seasoned breading, I still do this. I'm not getting the glove today. Smell the factory smell burning off the iKich air fryer. That's for anything new you buy. There's usually a factory smell that has to burn off. Okay, mustard will not make your food taste like mustard when it's cooked. Might as well get the cheapest mustard you can find. You don't have to get the expensive Dijon mustard or nothing like that, because you're not going to taste it no way. That's good. These are some big chops, so sure how many. I think only 2 will fit in here at a time. Okay. I'm going to open this, push it back. Open it. Shake this up right quick. Oh, this smells good. Let's see. I'm gonna fix at least 3 at a time. Some big old chops. I'm gonna fix 3. Let's see if I had a smaller one. It's going in there. Let me clean my hand. I can't stand on nasty hands. Okay, that's in there. Get this out of my way. I've been using up my stuff. I'm using the Evo oil sprayer. I have olive oil in here. So I'm gonna now put this in here. Turn that off. And start it over. Menu. Okay, I want it to cook for 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. Come on, I want the, no, that's the temp. Here's the time. All these air fryers are different. I'll say 15 minutes. Okay. I will be back. And I have this air fryer sitting on a rolling countertop tray. So I'll leave the link in the description box for this also, as well as for the iKich 6-quart air fryer. Moving this a little bit away from the wall. Okay, y'all, I had to put some more thyme on this for the chops, and I did flip the chops. I had to flip them. So I'll take it off. I'm gonna show y'all. Let me push it back. Okay. Look at that. So. Both sides brown. Where did that piece come from? This is the 6-quart iKich air fryer. Some of the bread is stuck to the basket right there. Just a little piece. So I'm gonna cook the rest of the chops. Look at that. Let me see about this finish. This is very hot. I'll try to show y'all how the basket looks. Okay, I'm gonna clean this before I put the other chops in here, because I don't want this burning. Oh, that ain't bad. Okay, I don't want this to burn on my new chops. Try to show y'all exactly what I'm doing, so when you get it, you don't have no surprises. Okay. I ain't got to wash it. Okay. And I ain't got to clean that basket out yet. Let me put these other chops in here. I'm gonna fix 2 naked ones and 1 breaded one. Okay. So it'll fit 3 big chops in here at one time. I'm just going to spray the breaded chop. I'm not going to spray the naked chops. Y'all see what I'm doing? That's it. Okay. Start it over. Stop that. Okay, I want to set it for 20 minutes. I think it was 15 minutes before. So 20 minutes. Time. Oops. You'll see what I'm doing. And start. It's already on 400 degrees. So I will be back. Back when everything is done. Okay, this is getting ready to stop. It's on 1 minute. Supposed to beep. Okay, it beeps 5 times when it's through cooking. Okay, this is how it looks. The breaded ones look just like the naked ones. You know what? I'm gonna bring this to the stove. I'm gonna bring you out to the stove. Always support the bottom when you're carrying it across the room. I don't know. This is the breaded one. Okay. That's the naked one. One thing gonna know the difference. Because I can't just look at it and tell the difference. They look delicious. They smell so good. Okay, I want to take a thumbnail picture. Come on, get over there. These are hot. I already pinched off a couple of them. It was so good. Okay, this is the cleanup that I have to do for the basket. Okay, don't seem like it's hard to clean up, and I'm going to clean this right away. This is my air fryer. Breaded and naked pork chops. There are the 2 naked ones and the 4 breaded ones. They look the same, really. I'm going to go over here because I'm going to dip up some string beans. There you are. Okay. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And I put the information in the description box about my iKich 6-quart air fryer. It works very well. I guess y'all want to see me eat a pork chop. Taste a piece. Just a minute. Okay, y'all, I'm a carnivore. Y'all know that. I like meat. Okay, I'm going to eat a piece of the naked chop. Cook for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. It's good. It's still juicy. The air fryer cooked it good. It's hot. And, this is a piece of the bread. Where that look? I actually like the naked one better. Tastes better. They're both good though. Very good. Seasoned perfect. There's some string beans on this plate. I'm eating like a heathen with my fingers. Okay, I'm gonna put some hot sauce on my pork chop sandwich. Call it a day. Okay, thanks for watching. Thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And check out the iKich 6-quart air fryer. The information will be in the description box. Okay.